Welcome to the class, students. Today in this class, let us solve some problems. So take down the problems. In a Poisson distribution, 3 times probability of 2 is equal to probability of 4. Find the standard deviation. Okay, we have to find the standard deviation. Here we don't know the lambda value first. Okay, first of all we don't know the lambda value. First we have to calculate the lambda value, then we have to find out the standard deviation. For that we have to use this relation. First I'll write the PMF of binomial Poisson distribution. It is P of x equals e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. So this is the PMF of Poisson distribution. So using this distribution, using this relation, we have to find the lambda value first. That is 3 times P of 2 is equal to P of 4. That is 3 times probability of second probability is equal to probability of fourth probability. So 3 into P of 2. P of 2 is probability of 2. For x equals 2 it is. So e power minus lambda power x is 2 divided by 2 factorial is equal to, here x equals 4, e power minus lambda power 4 divided by 4 factorial. Okay, next we have to simplify this. E power minus lambda get cancels. Lambda square here it will get cancelled because here 4 is there. So here 3 by 2 factorial is 2 is equal to here lambda square divided by 4 factorial. 4 factorial is nothing but 24. Okay, now you take the cross multiplication. So 2 lambda square is equal to 24 into 3, or lambda square is equal to 24 into 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So here lambda square is equal to 12 3 that's 36. So take the square root, that is square root of 36. So lambda is equal to 6. We know that in Poisson distribution, lambda is the parameter, and that lambda itself is mean and the variance. So to find the standard deviation, it is square root of lambda, it is square root of 6, it is 2.44. Here I'll write. So standard deviation is equal to 2.4494. So in exam also you will get this type of problem for 2 marks. So this is how we have calculated. Next, one more. Find P of x equals 0 in a Poisson distribution with mean equals 5. So in Poisson distribution, mean is equal to 5 is nothing but lambda is 5. So we have to find P0. First I'll write the PMF. So P of x equals e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. Okay, here mean is equal to 5. Therefore lambda is equal to 5. Lambda is equal to 5. So we have to find P0 value. So P of x equals 0 is equal to e power minus 5 to the power 0 by 0 factorial. We know that 0 factorial is always equal to 1. So P of x equals 0 is equal to e power minus 5. So P of x equals 0 is equal to 0.00673. You know how to calculate e power minus 5 using your scientific calculator. So next problem. In a Poisson distribution, P of x equals 2 is equal to P of x equals 3. Find P of x equals 4. So using the PMF, first let us find the lambda value. then we can find out the probability of the x equals 4. Probability of x equals 4. First, I'll take this one. X equals 2 is equal to P of x equals 3. So, PMF is P of x equals 2. We have to write the PMF. E power minus lambda. Lambda power 2 by 2 factorial is equal to e power minus lambda. Lambda cube divided by 3 factorial. Here lambda will get cancelled. Lambda square will get cancelled. It is 1 by 2 factorial is 2 is equal to lambda by 3 factorial, it is 6. Take the cross multiplication. So 2 lambda is equal to 6 or lambda is equal to 6 by 2. So lambda is equal to 3. So here lambda is equal to 3. Next substitute that value. Next substitute that to find out P of x equals 4 is equal to e power minus 3 power 4 by 4 factorial. So P of x equals 4 is equal to 0.1680. 0.1680. This is how we have to calculate the using the known one, the unknown one we are calculated. So I'll rub this one. Next one, in a Poisson distribution, second probability term is half of the first probability term. Find standard deviation. So the second probability term is half of the first probability term. First, let us write this relation. So second term means P of x equals 2. Second probability term is P of x equals 1 because first one will be P0. So this is equal to half of first probability. First probability of P of means P of x equals 0. Here we will consider 0 also. P of x equals 0 is the first probability term and P of x equals 1 is the second probability term. So this is the relation we got from this. We have to find the standard deviation. Let me write the PMF. It is P of x equals e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. Okay. After this, let me write the relation with the substitution. P of x equals 1, that is e power minus lambda power 1 divided by 1 factorial is equal to half of e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. By simplification, these two will get cancelled. Here lambda power 0 is nothing but 1, 0 factorial is also 1 and lambda power 1 is lambda only, 1 factorial is 1. This is equal to half. So lambda is equal to 0.5, half or 0.5. Next we can find out the value of standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to square root of lambda. So standard deviation is equal to 0.5. So standard deviation is 0.7071. So we have calculated the standard deviation also. Next problem. In a Poisson distribution, first two frequencies are 100 and 120 respectively. So first two frequencies are 100 and 120 respectively. Find the next frequency. So next frequency we have to find first and second frequency they have given. So first frequency is P of x equals 0, that is 100. sorry, frequency they have given. So it is T1, T0. T0 is 100 and T1 second frequency is 120. We have to find the next frequency, that is T2 we have to find. So this is the data whatever they have given. I have simplified this. So next is we have to do the simplification for T0 and T1. We know that T0 is nothing but n into e power minus lambda. We know that T0 is nothing but n into e power minus lambda, because x value is 0, lambda power 0 will 1 and 0 factorial is also 1, so e power minus lambda. And for T1 it is n into e power minus lambda into lambda. Okay, n into e power minus lambda into lambda. Okay, next we have to take the ratio of T1 by T2. T1 by T2. So n into e power minus lambda into lambda divided by n into e power minus lambda is equal to 120 divided by 100. The numbers also, frequencies also have taken. Next, these two will get cancelled. Then lambda is equal to 120 divided by 100. So lambda is equal to 1.2. So we have calculated the lambda value. Next we have to calculate T2. So T2 is equal to n into e power minus lambda. Yes, T2 is equal to n into e power minus lambda into lambda square. Lambda square divided by 2. So T2 is equal to, I'll rewrite this n into e power minus lambda into lambda by 2. This is nothing but our T1 value. See here T1 value. So it is T1 into lambda by 2. So T2 is equal to, T1 is 120 into 1.2 by 2. So T2 is equal to 72. T2 is equal to 72. So this is how we have calculated. Next one. In a Poisson distribution, first two frequencies are 80 and 40 respectively. 80 and 40 respectively. Find the next frequency term. Find the next frequency term. So we have to find the next frequency term. First two frequencies, that is T0, it is n into e power minus lambda, that is equal to 80, and T1 is n into e power minus lambda into lambda is equal to 40. Okay, so we know how to find out the next one. So next one is nothing but second one, T2. So first I will take the ratio of T1 by T0. It is n into e power minus lambda into lambda divided by n into e power minus lambda is equal to 40 by 80. These two will get cancelled. So lambda is equal to 40 by 80. So lambda is equal to 0.5. So next term is nothing but T2. T2 is equal to T1 into lambda by 2. So T2 is equal to, T1 is 40 into 0.5 by 2. So T2 is equal to 10. So this is how we have calculated the 2 marks problems, and let us solve one more on this type. Okay, it is the first two frequency terms are, that is T0 is equal to 150 and T1 is equal to 180 respectively. So find Next frequency term. So T0 is n into e power minus lambda, that is equal to 150. T1 is n into e power minus lambda into lambda, that is 180. So take the ratio T1 by T0. It is n into e power minus lambda into lambda divided by n into e power minus lambda. This is equal to 180 by 50. These two will get cancelled. So lambda is equal to 1.2. 1.2. Next we have to find T2. T2 is T1 into lambda by 2. So T1 is 180 into 1.2 by 2. Therefore T2 is 108. So this is how we have calculated. So in examination you will get this type of problem for 2 marks. Okay, sometimes you will get this type of problems from Poisson distribution. Thank you.